life force energy in constant creation. All of life wants to live, and nature is that pure example of that creative force unfolding constantly. When we look out at a natural setting, we see this kind of snapshot, this bigger perspective. But when you zoom in at every level, there is this creation, this growth, this expansion that is happening. And the beautiful thing is, as humans, we're not separate from that process. We are nature, and we are part of that. And every cell within our bodies is wanting to and is always participating in that constant cycle of life, of creation, of expansion. And as we connect deeper with nature, with that life force energy that's flowing through all of nature, our very beingness is being reminded of that force of creation, of the creator within us that is looking to expand. And as we connect in and we remember our oneness, we're able to have what seems like mystical experiences, even though they are very natural and inherent to our very beingness as a part of nature.